Good evening, sir. Good night. I, Suresh Hotwani, stays at 189 Kali Biswas Road, Kancharapada, District North 24 Parganas, West Bengal. I have done ICSE from St. Patrick's High Secondary School, Asansol in 1984. I have done BSc past course with Physics, Chemistry and Mathematics from Burdwan University in 1988. I have done teaching in many private English medium schools like DAB Public School, Rupnaranpur, Kancharapada English Medium School, Kancharapada, and many more. I have been doing private tuitions in mathematics up to class 12 for many years. I am a well experienced mathematics teacher. Okay, now we will discuss that how I will complete the class 9 and 10 syllabus in 2 months period, that is 60 days of 2 hours each day. First I am discussing how I will complete the class 9 ICSE syllabus of mathematics in 1 month, that is 30 days for 2 hours each day. Class 9 ICSE mathematics syllabus, there are 28 chapters. These 28 chapters are placed in 8 units. These 8 units are unit number 1, pure arithmetic, which has 1 chapter, rational and irrational numbers. Unit 2, which is commercial mathematics, made of 2 chapters, compound interest without using formula and compound interest using formula. Then there is a unit 3, algebra, which is made of 5 chapters. First, expansions; second, factorization; third, simultaneous linear equations including problems. Then comes indices, which is exponent, then logarithms. Then unit 4, which is geometry. It consists of 9 chapters like number 1, triangles, congruency in triangles, isosceles triangles, inequalities, midpoint theorem and its converse, including intercept theorem. Then comes Pythagoras theorem, proof and simple applications with converse. Then comes rectilinear figures, quadrilaterals, parallelograms, rectangle, rhombus, square and trapezium. Then comes 7th, construction of polygons using ruler and compass only. Then 8th is the area theorems, proof and use. Then comes circle. Unit 5, that is statistics and graph work. This consists of 2 chapters. First one, statistics; second, mean and median for ungrouped data only. Then the unit 6 is mensuration, made of 2 chapters, area and perimeter of plane figures. Second one is solids, surface area and volume of 3D solids. Then unit 7 is trigonometry. Number 1 is trigonometrical ratios, sine, cosine, tangent of an angle, and their reciprocals. Second one is trigonometrical ratios of standard angles, including evaluation of an expansion involving trigonometric ratios. Third is solution of right triangles. Simple 2D problems involving one right angle triangle. Then comes fourth, complementary angles. Unit 8 is coordinate geometry, made of 3 chapters. First one, coordinate geometry. Second one, graphical solution of simultaneous linear equations graphically. Then the third one is distance formula. Now I will complete the ICSE syllabus of class 9 mathematics in 1 month, that is 30 days, by completing one chapter in 1 day of 2 hours each, by doing the main sums of different types in each chapter, so that the concept of each chapter becomes fully clear in the minds of the student. Remaining 4 hours, that is, I have spent in 28 chapters, I have spent 56 hours. So remaining 4 hours I will spend on discussing the bigger topics of the syllabus. Now I am discussing that how I will complete the class 10 mathematics syllabus ICSE in 30 days period. Now there are 22 chapters in ICSE mathematics of class 10. These 22 chapters are placed in 8 units. Number 1 is commercial mathematics, made of 3 chapters, goods and services tax. Second one is banking. Third is shares and dividends. Then the second unit is the algebra, made of 6 chapters. First one is linear inequations. Second one, quadratic equations in one variable. Third one, factorization. Fourth one, ratio and proportion. Fifth one, matrices. Sixth one, arithmetic and geometric progression. Then the third unit is coordinate geometry, made of 3 chapters. Reflection first, second one is section formula, third one is equation of a straight line, fourth is geometry, similarity. First one is similarity, second is locus, third is circles, fourth is construction. Then the fifth unit is mensuration. There is only one chapter, mensuration. Now sixth unit is trigonometry, made of 3 chapters. First one is trigonometric identities, second one trigonometrical tables, third one heights and distances. Then unit 7 is statistics, made of 1 chapter, measure of central tendency. Then unit 8, probability. This is made of 1 chapter, that is probability. In 1 month time, that is 30 days, I will spend 2 hours on each chapter, that is 2 into 22 hours is equals to 44 hours. So remaining 16 hours could be spent on bigger chapters. So in 30 days, that is in 60 hours, I will complete the whole ICSE syllabus class 10 of mathematics by explaining the main selected sums in each chapter, so that the concept of each chapter become fully clear in the heads of the student. Okay. Now I am discussing one topic of class 10 mathematics, that is quadratic equation. Now what is a quadratic equation? A quadratic equation is of the type ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Here a should not be equals to 0 and the x is the variable. So this is the quadratic equation in variable x, and a should not be 0. A is the coefficient of x squared plus b is the coefficient of x and c is the constant term that is free from the variable x. Okay, so this is the quadratic equation in the variable x. Now, how we will solve this quadratic equation? There are generally two methods. First method is the factorization method. Okay, so how we solve it? We factorize the LHS, that is the quadratic expression. Okay, like this: ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So a common out, so this is x squared plus b by a into x plus c by a is equals to 0. So now the middle term will be broken up into two terms, so that on multiplying I should get 1 into c by a. Okay, and on adding I should get b by a. Okay, so we will find out two terms which on multiplying should be c by a, on adding should be b by a. So suppose the two terms are maybe any two terms. Okay, so on factorization we get two factors, like suppose x plus d into x plus e is equals to 0. So the product of a is not equals to 0, so x plus d, so either x plus d is equals to 0 or x plus e is equals to 0. So from here I will get x is equals to minus d, and from here I will get x is equals to minus e. So the values of x are minus d and minus e. So these values of x, if I will substitute in this equation, then the left hand side and the right hand side will be equal. That is, on solving the left hand side by putting these values of x, then the left hand side will become equals to 0. Now the second method is by using the formula. So what is the second method? Here we will find out the value of x directly by using the formula, which is, the formula tells us x is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided, this whole divided by 2a. So where a is the coefficient of x squared, b is the coefficient of x, and c is the constant term that is free from the variable x. So this is the formula for finding the values of x directly. So there are the two values we will get, because when the degree of the equation is 2, on solving we will get the two values of x. So these are the two methods of solving a quadratic equation. So thank you. I hope that you would like my saying on this whole topic. Thank you.